Alright. So this is what we've been talking about. The extended reach. The ACDelco 3/8 ratchet. As usual, we have some information there. Let's get that out. Specs. $40 foot-pound. You have more brochures there. Charger. Battery. Wow. Guys, this one is what we're talking about. That's going to be the ARW1218. Alright, let's get the battery up in here. See what we're working with. This is a tall one. This is a tall one. Oh, no, let's do it like that. So that's the extended. This is the ARW1210-4. And remember, this one is the ARW1218. Right? Right, do you see that extended reach? And this one was the original one. And that one was the AR1209. So guys, that's it. That's it. This one is 3/8. This is a 1/2 inch and 70 foot-pound torque. This one is 40 or 45. This one is 40. And as you can see, this one is much taller. They all use the same G12 platform battery. But this one, which is a 3/8, 1/2 inch 3/8, this one is going to give you a lot more reach and slimmer head design, as you can see. These are a lot beefier head design. This one is a lot skinnier, so you can get into tighter areas and a longer reach. Also has a trigger type design and the light. This one has a light as well. And this one has a light as well. That one is so powerful, guys. That's a big boy right there. All arounder. And this one is another. We need to get them tight spaces, longer reach. And that's it. That's a trilogy, guys. And these are all purchased off Amazon. It's about $130. It's about $70. This was about $99. And that's it. Enjoy. Take care, guys. One Key Car Garage.